I drove it, went to the store, turned it off, went and grabbed something real quick. I came back. That's it.
Nothing.
And
Okay.
It won't start. We tried to jump it.
Nothing.
You know.
Okay. Yeah, it's stuck. The plunger's stuck. I said once we get that started, and it's gonna tell me all the answers, and then if not, I could lead to the next route. Like I said, it's.
So I'll give you a call tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll get it all settled,
boss.
brother. It was nice to meet you, Isaac.
Yeah,
Take
sir,
care,
my
brother.
hand is for sure.
With the Acura TLX. Break it. Ah. That was a long bolt. This all leaked out. Okay. 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 Yep. Now we got past no faults and everything. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. This is how we fix things.
Come to X's Auto Shop. Come to X's Auto Shop. Come to X's Auto Shop. 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 Come on down, guys. We come to you.